Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a single-story bungalow style, 4-bed, 4.5 bath house for sale. It is located on Norbrook Acres Drive in St. Andrew. It sits on 0.23 acres of land. It comes with a open concept floor plan, which makes it a warm, inviting, and welcoming space to be enjoyed by all. It also comes with spacious kitchen and patio to just unwind. You have an amazing covered courtyard style entrance space with koi pond. Make this home yours today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 633,000 or Jamaican $97.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.